everyone, I'm here today to show you how to make some simple color tablets out of some paint samples that I got from the hardware store. And you can make these really easily at home, and then you can give them to your child. That way they can practice color matching and learn the color names. So the first thing I got were these color samples, these paint samples from the hardware store. I just asked if it was okay if I took them. One time they did actually ask me to pay $1. I had a whole big pile of them and they were okay with that. So after I gathered the paint samples, and what I did was I gathered one of each primary color and one of each secondary color. That way I can make a box with primary colors, and then I can make another box with secondary colors. So make sure if you want to do that, you grab 2 blue, 2 red, and 2 yellow also. So after I took the paint sample paper, I flipped it over, and I took a ruler and I took it right from point straight down. Now you don't have to use these arrow shaped cards. The rectangular ones will do. The one thing you do want to make sure of is that both sides look the same. The only thing that you want to be different, since soil works, you only want them to vary by one thing. So you want them to be all the same shape, but only vary in color. So that's why we stick to keeping them the same shape. So after I draw the line down the middle, what I do is I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut right down the line here. And now I have 2 halves that match, and they're both the same color. I'm going to do the same here with the purple. And now with these, they have words on the bottom. Here you see, and most do, the name of the paint. So what I'm going to do, and I've already pre-cut a bunch of them just for time purposes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the bottom off, and that allows the child to not be distracted by the words. The only thing that they are focusing on is the one attribute you want them to be learning or honing from this work, which is their ability to discriminate between different colors. So like I said, we have 3 different color boxes in the Montessori method. Color box 1 is 6 tablets, 2 red, 2 blue, and 2 yellow, where the children can be introduced to their primary colors. Color box 2 has their secondary colors as well as white and black, and that allows them to become familiar with their secondary colors. And then the third box is quite large, and it has shades of different colors, and it allows them to explore how the different shades gradate from darkest to lightest or lightest to darkest. And then you can introduce different color words like mauve and turquoise and all those wonderful different color words. So now what else I've done is I purchased this box from the Dollar Tree, and this will just keep this work nice and neat for them. And in this box, so this would be color box 2. So in this box I have all my primary and all my secondary colors. And I can just leave this out on one of my children's shelves or somewhere neat in the room. That way they can use it whenever they like. Now if you want to make these more durable, you can laminate them. Or you can, if you don't have a laminator, because a lot of us don't, you can put packing tape on each side and then cut it out. And that'll make it more sturdy, and it'll make it able to be used over and over and over again. And now once they've been matching them, you can ask them to try to find objects around the house with those colors. There's a lot of different things you can do with the color tablets. So I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial on how to make color tablets from paint sample papers from the hardware store. Thank you.